Hey guys, it's Dima from DimusTech, and today I'm going to show you something very small but little and cool. Just look at her piercing our logo. How dare she? Well, she's Japanese, so who cares? Never mind. Okay, so this is gonna be very short. So it happened to one of the co-workers at work, and basically I never knew that there is a shortcut to it. Now, the person who it happened to isn't very tech related or anything. She accidentally pressed some keys and it happened. It took me a while to figure out where are the settings, and then when I found where the settings are, I also found a shortcut. So basically, if you do the shortcut, which I'll tell you in a moment, that will happen. Your screen will go grayscale, which is awesome. Now, if you want to prank someone, you can enable this mod for him and come to him and tell him, hey, what's going on? And you don't notice anything, but he will ask, oh my god, my screen is grayscaled. And you'll tell, what are you talking about? I see all the colors. But you won't, but you know, just to prank him. Anyway, pressing again, it will disable it. So, what is the shortcut? It's WinKey+CTRL+C. Now, if you try that and it doesn't work on your computer, don't get scared or something. It works on Windows 10 and it doesn't work always. So let's enable it and disable it from the settings where it is instead of a shortcut. So you don't need to click Start. Then Settings. Let's expand that. Then you go to Ease of Access. Under Ease of Access, go to Color and Light Contrast. Now, if your shortcut doesn't work, you should have some V or anything to enable here to enable the WinKey+CTRL+C shortcut. So if it's not available by default on some Windows versions, you can enable it here. And if you want, you can basically disable it from here. Now, not only it has grayscale, you have much of other things here as well to play around. Basically, it wasn't meant for fun, obviously. It was created for people who have problems with sight or something like that. So you can go, for example, invert if someone prefers that. It actually looks cool. I mean, it's not that bad. And grayscale inverted, so I don't know if you really want to mess around with your eyes. So that's awesome that we have all those options. Let's go ahead and disable it for now. So I really couldn't just rejoice myself until I pranked someone with that, and I figured out that it will be probably the best to show you guys that thing, and you can go ahead and prank other people as well. You can actually use that if you for some reason need a grayscale screen or something for you or something. So that's a great option inside of Windows 10. Guys, before I finish this video, I have a few things to mention. First, YouTube has demonetized our channel for now, and the reason for that is that we don't have enough subscribers. So in order to get monetized on YouTube and receive money, etc., which I did for a while, you do need from now on to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time for the last 12 months, which we do have. So we do lack of about 140 subscribers or so. So if you're not subscribed yet, or if you know anyone that is interested in tech, security and everything what I do here on this channel, please let them know and ask them to subscribe as well, so they will be able to follow us and also help us to grow as well. Another thing before I go is Instagram. If you want, you can follow me now on Instagram. Yes, I did fall to that as well. Basically, I don't use it for the channel specifically, I just take some photos and share them there, including Facebook and other platforms. So I do tend to share some cool pictures around, just views, landscape. If I travel, I try to post them as well. Nothing specific to the channel or any tech-related stuff, but I'll try also to post some notifications about new videos on the channel on Instagram. So keep in mind that you can follow me on Instagram as well if you'd like. And now we can finally finish this video. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.